Can't.
Good. Now, around the rugged rock, the ragged rascal ran.
Around the rocks, the rugged
Rocks! Rocks!
Around the rocks, the rugged rascals ran.
Yes, now, sinful Caesar.
Oh, hiya, Cosmo.
Oh, hiya, Dawn.
Shall I continue?
Yes, don't mind him.
Sinful Caesar sipped his snifter, seized his knees, and sneezed.
Ooh.
Sinful Caesar sipped his
No.
No.
Sipped his snifter.
Yes. Sipped his snifter.
Thank you. Sinful Caesar sipped his snifter, seized his knees, and sneezed.
Oh, marvelous.
Yes, marvelous.
Here's a good one. Chester chooses chestnuts, cheddar cheese, and chewy chives. He chews them, and he chooses them. And he chooses them, and he chews them. Those chestnuts, cheddar cheese, and chives in cheery, charming chunks.
Oh, marvelous, everybody. Just marvelous. Hey, why don't you give us another, would
Yes,
you?
all right. Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously. Now, Moses, he knows that his toes aren't roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be.
Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously.
But Moses, he knows his toes aren't roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be. Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously.
A Mose is a Mose.
A rose is a rose.
A toes is a toes.
Hoop-de-doo-da-doo-da. Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously. For Moses, he knows his toes aren't roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be. Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously.
Eeny, meeny,
For Moses
Moses.
knows his toes aren't roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be. Roses are roses are roses are roses are roses. What Moses supposes his toes couldn't be a lily or a daffy dilly. It's gotta be a rose, cause it rhymes with Moses. Moses.